I will show you how to delete search history on YouTube. Open your YouTube. Then click Profile at the bottom right. Click the settings icon at the top right. Find Manage All History. Here is all the history that you watch. The way to delete it is to click Delete. You can delete one video history by clicking X on the video. If you want to set today's history, click Delete and delete today. Congratulations, you have successfully deleted your history.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.